Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the best ways to earn money online from the comfort of your house. You guys know me. I like bringing different ways to earn money at the comfort of your house, wherever you are in the world, in Nigeria, in Australia, in Africa, in Canada. We're in the internet age, so your location does not really count. In this video, I'll be telling you one of the best ways to quit your job if you want to, earn passive income if that's what you want, to get a side hustle that you can start with no money and earn as much as $10,000 per day. And also, if you are someone that want to work from home or work anywhere in the world while you're traveling, I am bringing the best side hustles to you so that you can earn whatever you want to earn. You quote the price that you want, and it's something that's sustainable. It's something that you can start and grow it to a full-scale business. But all that is required from you is to do the right thing, which is to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That's the first procedure to earn $10,000 from the comfort of your house. So, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Do it now, Jare. Do it, Joe. Do it, Jare. Do it, Joe. So subscribe and like this video for us to start with the best way to earn money from home. So there are different ways to earn money from home, which I've explained tons of videos on. At the end of this video, I will attach two for you to learn different ways to earn money from home. But I think that one of the best way, if not the best way to earn money as a beginner, is through freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best ways to earn money. If you want to quit your job and turn your passion into a full-scale business, freelancing has the answer for you. If you are someone that wants to be earning steady regular income by the side, freelancing is the answer. So some people ask, what is freelancing? So let's go to Google and see what Google has to say. You can see definition from Oxford saying that freelance is someone that's self-employed and hired to work for different companies on particular assignments. So which means that you are someone that have a skill or a talent and you can offer that service to different individuals or businesses. So for most of us that do 9 to 5 job, we do the job and offer the service to our company. So it's fixed. The company is hiring you to do job for them. But when it comes to freelancing, just take it that you're doing that job, but for multiple people, for different clients. You don't have only one person you're working with. You can work with anybody that you choose to work with. So you are selling your skills, you are selling your talent, you are bringing something to the table so that people will pay you for it. People don't just give you money for nothing. People give you money because you've done a service for them. Freelancing now is people giving you money for doing something for them, for helping them to achieve their dream or fulfill a service for them. There are a lot of freelancing websites that you can use today in order to start your freelancing journey. And some of the most popular is Fiverr, which you are seeing here. You are seeing Fiverr here. And it's one of the most popular that you will see. We also have Upwork. We have freelancer.com. You are seeing it here. We have Toptal. Hire the top 3% of freelance talent. We have Guru. We have people per hour. So the concept of freelancing is just the concept of selling your talent or selling your skills. So what can you do for people? If you come here, there's graphic and design. So if you're someone that can make logo or create a game or create an art, is there a website that you can create, social media or packaging? You are someone that's good with visual design, architecture, fashion, print designs, product and character designs, different designs. So what can you design for people? You design it for them and they pay you for that service. It could be digital marketing to create tailored ads on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever other social media app that's out there. You help them to create an app for businesses or for individuals and they pay you for that service. You can see different apps and different digital marketing things you can do. We could have writing and translation. You are someone that can write for blogs, for the internet, for websites, for magazines, for newspapers. In different fields, it can be sports, football, marketing, tourism, pet, tech, traffic, whatever. You just list your service as a writer and they will come and look for you on this popular platform so that you sell your service to them. And I know some of you are like, how much will I charge? You can charge anywhere between $5 to $10,000. We'll go into that in a minute. So we equally have video and animation. What video can you edit for people? It can be photography, local drone videos, or any kind of videos. So this is for video. If you are someone that's no good, someone that have talent in editing videos or in creating videos, you can come and list your skill as a freelancer. We call it have music and audio. A lot of us can sing. If you think your voice is good enough to sing and get paid for it, welcome to freelancing, where people are doing voiceover, composing songs, jingles and intro, dialogue editing, vocal tuning, things that have to do with music and audio, and are paid for doing that. We have programming and tech, Python gang, people that know C++, C hash, CS, CSS, CD, C that, Java, JavaScript, Java, JavaScript, Java, JavaScript. If you are someone that's very good with programming, there are jobs waiting for you here that you can do at the comfort of your house. You'll be seated at your house, sipping wine or sipping juice, and you'll be doing work for your client. And of course, once you finish the job, they pay you the amount that you've charged them. And Fiverr helps you to organize the whole process to ensure that that the customer will not run away with your money, and also that you will not also cheat your customers. This platform helps to balance the customer and client relationship to avoid signing document upon document, to avoid problems and tons of other issues that come with starting and growing a business. So if you're someone that's good with consulting, either financial consulting, legal consulting, career consulting, entering data on Excel, you are good with data visualization, you are good with presentation, you are good with e-commerce management, you are highly welcome. They are looking for your service on all these popular websites. If you're also into lifestyle, like online tutoring, gaming, astrology, wellness, traveling, fitness, dance, life coaching, craft lessons, cooking lessons, family and genealogy, the question is, what can you offer? Anything you can offer, any skill that you can offer, you can come to this website and offer your skill to people, and they pay you for that skill. And if you think you don't have a skill or don't have a talent that you can offer, there are free YouTube videos that you can watch. There are free courses that you can take on any of this area that interests you, so that you find out more about that particular area in order to start offering the service. I learned how to edit a video on YouTube for free, and I'm using DaVinci Resolve, which is available for free. So which means you can start your business completely for free if you are ready. So you don't have to spend money on courses on this thing. No, I've shown you different businesses that are possible, that exist. Of all of them, which one interests you the most? Which one are you passionate about? Watch more videos on YouTube about that particular area and come and list your business or come and list your service on this platform. So if you think Fiverr is competitive, try other areas like Upwork, Freelancer, Toptal, Guru, and People Per Hour. There are businesses and people all over the world that come to this website looking for your own service. I try to use Fiverr because it's the most popular of all of them. And just sign up to their platform and go to your account. You see, you click on become a seller. And you can see a gig is bought every 4 seconds. Gig simply means the service that you offer. They call it gig. So every 4 seconds, a gig is bought on Fiverr. For you to see how popular it is, for you to know that people are already waiting for you to enjoy the service that you offer. And I have over 50 million transactions. And you can charge between $5 to $10,000 per hour or per job. Imagine making $10,000 per job for 1 day. In a month, that's how much? $30,000. And that's people's salary for a year. You are making it for 1 month. So I'm not saying that you will start by earning $10,000. Of course, that would be too much. You're a beginner. But at least it's something you can start with $5 and grow it to a full-scale business. Fiverr charge you a commission. They charge you about 20% commission for using the website. Most of these other platforms charge you 20% commission. And you don't pay any fee. You don't pay any fee for using their platform. It's completely for free. And they charge you when someone has ordered a service from you and the person pays you. So you see, this one say I'm a designer, I'm a developer, I'm a writer, I'm a video editor, I'm a musician, I'm a voiceover artist, I'm a social media marketer. So the only question left is, what is your skill? What can you offer to other people? You want to make money? Nothing goes for nothing. So what skill, what service are you willing to offer other people that they are ready to pay you for it? So freelancing enables you to do a job that you enjoy and get paid for it. There are different jobs you can do as a freelancer. So you go for the one that suits you, the one that you like the most, and you get paid for doing the job. It can be resume writing, it can be talking to people, it can be listening to people, it can be dancing like me. If I do this thing now as a freelancer, I'll get paid for it too. For you to know that there are different skills, different jobs, different things that are available. So, bro, what can you offer? Smash the like button before you start thinking of what you offer. So, and how does it work? You create a gig. So you create the service that you want to offer. And I told you that if you think you don't have a service or a skill to offer, that several videos on YouTube for you to watch on any area that interests you to find out more about that area and come and list your gig here. Now you deliver a great work. Of course, deliver a service to people for it. Get paid on time every time. Payment is transferred to you upon order completion. Once you fulfill the order, boom, your account balance will ring, boom, boom. A lot of people are doing this and earning a lot of money from it. A lot of people that watch my videos are Nigerian. So let me just type Nigeria for you to see that a good number of Nigerians are not joking. They are making money. See our guy. I will do anything for you from Nigeria. You see, he's in Nigeria and he will do anything for you in Nigeria. I will register your company in Nigeria. I will professionally design your building in Nigeria. See, but these are people that want to offer services in Nigeria. For me, I'm a fan of, you can be in Nigeria and offer services that has nothing to do with Nigeria, like video editing, graphic design, marketing and sales, things that have nothing to do with your country, so that you can earn money anytime, anywhere you are. So you see, all these jobs does not require any location. So wherever you are, you can offer any of these services and get paid for it. So you see that different things that are here and different services that can be offered. See this one. I will design a cartoon banner for your YouTube or Twitch channel. So just to design a banner for you, you pay him about $150. Is that not significant? I want to earn the money. If you don't want to earn the money, I want to earn it. So this is just like a tip in the iceberg or an ice in the ice block or a block in the ice, whatever they call it. Just to let you know that you can earn a lot of money by just doing freelancing. You can learn the skill completely for free on YouTube. Just search for the skill you want, watch 2 or 3 YouTube videos and come and list your skill and get paid. And you can charge anything that you like from $5 to $10,000 per job. Why I say that it's the best job? Because it can replace your 9-to-5 job. Some people earn $200K per year from freelancing. $200K. How many jobs pay people $200K per year? It's rare. But people are earning it doing what they love, following their passion by just doing it as a freelancer. You may not earn $200K in your first year, but it's something you can grow to even earn $2 million in your 3rd year. So just start small and grow big. Some people have 50 orders in queue, 70 orders in queue, 2 orders in queue, which means there is job always waiting for you. As long as you are ready to do the job, there's orders in queue waiting for you every now and then. It gives you a steady income. People are making significant amount of money by just being freelancers. And they're doing all these jobs at the comfort of their house. When they are traveling, nobody disturbing them to wear tie, to dress suit. I know you and I want freedom. We want to live our life at our comfort. And I know that we want to do service that we enjoy, not just work for working sake. Freelancing has the solution for us. So why don't you give it a try today? Why don't you give freelancing a try today? And let's see how it goes. Start now. Before you go and sign up to the platform, of course now, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, so that I'll give you more gist and more update on how to navigate the world of online businesses and make money completely for free at the comfort of your house. Thank you. Bye.